Okay, this is the number base, which is the modern max from 5 first chapter. Okay, in this video, I will teach you almost everything about number base. From base 5 change to base 10, and then from base 10 change back to base 5, or you will learn how to do the plus and minus for the base 2, and then I also will teach you how to use the calculators to convert from base 2 to base 8, or base 8 to base 2, or using the calculator to solve the addition and subtractions of the base 2. Okay, so let's start with the base 5 first. Okay, why I will start with the base 5? Because actually the only base you cannot press using the calculator is base 5. Okay, so I teach you about base 5 first. Okay, now we got 4 digits of base 5. 4, 3, 1, 1, base 5. Okay, how to change this one to the base 10? Okay, in order to change base 5 to the base 10, the very important is you must understand is the position value of each digit number. Okay, so when this is base 5, when this is 5, so I know first number over here will be the value of 1 will be 5 power of 0, means 1 multiple 5 power of 0. So the second space over here will be 5 power of 1. The third one will be 5 power of 2. The fourth one will be 5 power of 3. Okay, very easy to remember. As long as you understand, you will always start with the 0, 1, 2, 3. 5 power of 0, 5 power of 1, 5 power of 2, 5 power of 3. If this is base 5, what if this is base 8? So this one will be 8 power of 0, 8 power of 1, 8 power of 2, 8 power of 3. Is it base 2? This one will be 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 3. Okay, this one we call it the values for each position, because actually you got so many digits, right? So each digit got the position value. Okay, so now if you understand about this value, so how to find base 10 is very simple. First we know, okay, the value for 4 over here is 4 multiple 5 power of 3. Okay, this is the values of 4. Is 4 multiple 5 power of 3 plus 3 multiple 5 power of 2. 3 multiple 5 power of 2 plus 1 multiple 5 power of 1, and then we plus the last one is 1 multiple 5 power of 0. Okay, when you plus all the value for 1, 1, 3, 4, you can get the value for base 10. Okay, so 4 multiple 5 power of 3 is 4 multiple 1, 2, 5. Plus 3 multiple 5 power of 2 is 3 multiple 25, will be 75. Plus 1 multiple 5 will be 5. Plus 1 multiple 5 power of 0 will be, 5 power of 0 is 1. 1 multiple 1 is 1. Then you sum all together, you can get the number of base 10. So you have got 4 multiple, this one will be 250, 500. So 575, 580 will be 581. Okay, this is the value in base 10. But base 10 normally we do not write the 10 over here. But base 10 is the normal number we will see every day. Okay, so converts to base 10 is very simple. Okay, so maybe I just give one more example, make you understand better. Let's say I got 32, 132 base 5. Okay, now I want to convert to base 10. I must understand each value. So the 2 over here, the position for 2 will be 2 multiple 5 power of 0. The 3 over here will be 3 multiple 5 power of 1. 1 over here will be 1 multiple 5 power of 2. So this one actually will always follow the sequence 0, 1, 2. Okay, then I want to change to base 10. I just sum all the values. So it's 1 multiple 5 power of 2 plus 3 multiple 5 power of 1 plus 2 multiple 5 power of 0. Okay, so 1 multiple 5 power of 2, 5 power of 2 is 25. So this is 25 plus 3 multiple 5 is 15 plus 2 multiple 1 will be 2. So this one will be 42. Got it? Means actually 132 base 5 is equal to 42 in base 10. This one like 4311 base 5 with same value is 581 in base 10. Okay, if now, what if we already have this value? We got a base 10. Now we want to change to base 5. See whether we can get the same number or not. Okay, so I write over here. Now I got 581 base 10. Now I want to change this number to base 5. So what I do is, when you change to base 5, you just divide by 5. Okay, you divide by 5. Okay, when you divide by 5, okay, you must know the techniques of divide in order to get the base 5. So you want to get base 5, divide by 5. You want to get base 8, divide by 8. You want to get base 2, divide by 2. That's all. Okay, when you divide by 5, okay, here, okay, we divide like this: 1, 5, 5. Okay, and then mean here left 0. Okay, and then 1, 5, 5. Okay, actually this one is invisible, but then the first time I write it for you. Okay, 1, 5, 5. So actually you will left 3 over here. Okay, you will left 3 over here. So it's 31. So 31 divided by 5 is 6. Will give you 30. Correct or not? 6, 5, 30. You will left 1. Okay, one more time. Divide by 5 again. Okay, here 1 we cannot divide by 5, so we take 11. 11, 2 multiple 5 is 10. 10 we still left 1, because 11 minus 10 we still left 1. 1 and 6. 1 and 6 means 16. 16 we use 3 will give you 15. Okay, 15 we still left 1. Okay, and then we divide 5 again. Okay, 23 divide by 5 we use 4. 4, 5, 20. Okay, 23 minus 20 we still left 3. Okay, and then we divide 5 again. Okay, 4 actually cannot divide by 5, because 155 already bigger than it, then you will get negative value over here. So I put 0, because cannot divide by 5. When you get the number is smaller than 5, mean you just put a 0, mean we will left 4. Okay, and then when we want to change to base 5, we just read from bottom to top. So this one called 4311 base 5. 4311 base 5. See, you will get exactly the same number when you convert it to base 5. 4311 base 5. So means actually you take the remainder. You take the remainder from bottom, read to the top, and then this is the base 5. Okay, maybe you still feel confused, so let's try one more for this one. 132. Okay, change to base 5. So first thing I divide by 5. Okay, when you divide by 5, you got 13 over here. 13, obviously we put 2. 2 is 10. So you got 10. Here you still left 32. See, do you see 32 over here? If you see 32 over here, okay, 32 we put 6. 6 for 30, so we still left 2. Okay, then you got 26 over here. 26 over here, divide by 5. It will be 5, 5, 25. 5, 5, 25, you mean you still left 1. Okay, 5, 5, 25. You still left 1. Yup. And then let's see. 1, 3, 5. Okay. Yes. And then you divide 5 again. Why we take 135? This is base 5 already. Sorry, some mistake over here. Actually, we want to take base 10 change to base 5, so it's actually we take 42. Okay, then we divide by 5. Okay, because this is base 10, we want to change to base 5. We want to see whether I can get this number or not. Okay, 42. Okay, 42, you want to change to base 5, divide by 5, you got 8, 40. Maybe we still left 2. Correct or not? 8, 5, 40, 42 minus 40, we still left 2. So this is remainder I write here. And then we divide 5 again. Okay, 8 divided by 5, I write 1, 155. 8 minus 5, we still left 3. And then we divide 5 again. 1 cannot divide by 5, so I write 0. So I write the 1 over here. Read from bottom to the top. So what we got over here is 132 base 5. See? 132 base 5, 132 base 5. Okay? Got the basic idea? Okay? If you got the basic idea, maybe you just do some exercise on yourselves. If you got any question, you just post a comment on my YouTube or on my Facebook. Okay? Okay, if okay, then we change to another part. Okay, just make you understand better, we take 2 more examples. Okay, base 5 you already learned, so we do the base 8. Okay, let's say base 8, I give some numbers, 7, 5, 6, base 8. Okay, this one, 7, 5, 6, base 8, I want to change to base 10. I say whenever you change to base 10, you must know the value for each position. So this one will be 8 power of 0, 8 power of 1, 8 power of 2. If you still got number over here, it will be 8 power of 3, 8 power of 4, 8 power of 5. Okay, use 8 because this is base 8. Okay, then I just sum it up. So it will be 7 multiple 8 power of 2. Because 7 multiple 8 power of 2 plus 5 multiple 8 power of 1, 5 multiple 8 power of 1, and then plus again 6 multiple 8 power of 0. You just sum it together. Then you will got, okay, 7 multiple 8 power of 6 is 64, 7 multiple, so it's 448, plus 58 is 40, plus 6. Okay, because 8 power of 0 is 1. Then we sum together, we will got 496 base 10. Okay, got the idea? Of course, normally base 10, we didn't write base 10. Okay, so this is already answer. Okay, so what if in base 2, you want to change to base 10? Same thing, I got 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, base 2, let's say. Right, I want to change to base 10. So, same thing, I must know the position of each digit. So this one, the first one will be 2 power of 0. This one will be 2 power of 1. This one will be 2 power of 2. Okay, this one will be 2 power of 3. This one will be 2 power of 4. This one will be 2 power of 5. With each different position will have the own value. Then you plus together. So the first one is, okay, from the front here, this one is 1 multiple 2 power of 5. Because the value for this position is 2 power of 5. Plus 1 multiple 2 power of 4. Plus 1 multiple 2 power of 3 plus 0, this is 0, 0 multiple 2 power of 2 plus 1 multiple 2 power of 1 plus 1 multiple 2 power of 0. Then you just sum it up. Okay, 2 power of 5 we got 32, 2 power of 4 we got 16, 2 power of 3 we got 8, 0 multiple anything we got 0. So 1 multiple 2 we got 2, 1 multiple 1 we got 1. And then we sum all the number you will got. 10, okay, 10, so 42, 42, 58, 59. Yeah. if not mistaken. Just double check with calculator. Yeah, 59. Okay, this is the way from base. This is the way from base 8 or base 2. You want to change to base 10. Okay. Now I teach you how to do this one using calculator. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Hope you can see the calculator. Okay. If you want to convert using calculator, first you must put the mode 1 time, 2 time, and then do you see the base? Of course, you must make sure your calculator is 570 because 350, I think you cannot press for this one. So you see a base over here. So you press number 3. Number 3. Okay. Then you must understand. Do you see a green color word over here? Okay. DEC means it's base 10. This one HEX you didn't use. This is base 16. Okay. BIN. Do you see BIN over here? This is base 2. And then OCT over here, this is base 8. Okay, base 8, base 2, and base 10. Okay, this one base 16 you didn't use in the level. Okay, so okay, if you understand about this one, okay, let's see. Now you got number of 756 base 8. Okay, so I want base 8, I must press this button. Okay, do you see here become O? Okay, O means base 8. Okay, so I type 756 base 8. Do you see 756 over here? Base 8. Okay, if I want to change to base 10, I just press DEC. Okay, then I got 494. 494. Okay, so let's see what's wrong because here actually I got 496. Yeah, some calculation mistake. Okay, so if you count, because 48 plus 6, actually you got 54. So this is 494. Okay, 494. Yes. Okay. So, yeah, base 8, you want to change to base 10, you just press DEC. Okay, if you want to change to base 2, you press BIN. Okay, this is 756. If you want to change to base 8, you want to change to base 2, this is base 8. You want to change to base 2, you just press this one. Base 10, you press this one. Base 2, you press this one. You want to see back the base 8, you press back this button. OCT for base 8, base 2, and base 10. Okay, simple. Okay, if okay, then okay, we see if you want. Okay, if you want the second one, base 2. So base 2, you press BIN. So you will see bind over here. And then you press all the number over here. 111011. And then press equal. Okay, you got 111011. Okay, bind over here. Okay, then you want to change to base 10, you just press DEC. Do you see 59? 59? See 59 over here? Yes, so means this is base 2 in base 10. You want to change to base 8, you just press the OCT, you can change to base 8. Okay, so yes, if you know how to use calculator, so this one will be easy for you. Of course, this one I teach you manually. Okay, okay, since I teach you manually already, so I teach you one more. How to change base 2 to base 8 in case you didn't bring your calculator to the exam, or sometimes some school maybe do not allow to use this 570 calculator, means maybe you have to do it manually. Okay, let's see how to change to base 2 to base 8. Okay, when you want to change base 2 to base 8, you must know their relationship. Okay, base 8, 0 will equal to base 2 will equal to 30. Okay, I think it's because base 8, you imagine 8 is 2 power of 3 what? So therefore they will have 3 digits in base 2 and 1 digit in base 8. So the 1 in base 8 will be 0, 0, 1 in base 2. So 2 in base 8 will be base 2 plus 1. Plus 1, you will got 0, 1, 0.
Okay, because 2 in base 2 is called 10. Okay, because base 2, I say base 2, you can never see 2 in it. So 3 will be 0, 1, 0 plus 1 again, you got 0, 1, 1. Okay, and then 4 for base 8 is plus 1 again. Okay, when 0, 1, 1 plus 1, you got 1, 0, 0. Okay, because if you really plus 1 over here, you got 10. Okay, because 1 plus 1, you got 10 one. Okay, got 10, and then 1 plus 1 again, you got 10. So you got 100. Okay, of course this one you must understand why 1 plus 1 will get 10, because in base 2 you cannot see 2. 1 plus 1 is not equal to 2, it's equal to 10. So I do it quickly. So 5 will be 1, 0, 1, and 6 will be 1, 1, 0, 7 will be 1, 1, 1. Okay, this is so-called their relationships. Okay, this relationship very important is when you want to convert it faster. Okay, let's say now I got 59 base. Let's say, okay, I give some other number. Let's say I got 5, 6, 4 base 8. I want to change to base 2. Very simple. I follow this table. Okay, 5 over here is 101. See, 5 is 104. Okay, so this is 101 for 5. 6 is 110. Do you see 6? 110. And 4 will be 100. Base 2. Do you see that? This is 5, 6, 4. This is the quick way to change from base 8 to base 2. And then of course you may ask how to change to base 2 to base 8. So I give you some number 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, base 2. Okay, this is considered very big. Okay, so in order to change the base 2 to base 8, you must divide them into the 3 digits, and then must divide from behind. So I divide them 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit. And the front place, here I have 2 digits only, so I add a 0 for it. Okay, then start to change. Okay, 0, 1, 1, what's the 0, 1, 1 over here? It's 3. 0, 0, 1 is 1. And then 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 is 5. 1, 0, 1 is 5. So this is actually 3, 1, 5, 5, base 8. 3, 1, 5, 5, base 8. See? This is the way change from base 2 to base 8. Okay, of course, if you do not believe the answer, maybe we do some checking using calculator. So this is base 8. Okay, come back to here. Okay, O is stand for base 8. So what number we have? 5, 6, 4. So 5, 6, 4, base 8. Okay, we change to base 2, we press the bind. Okay, we got 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 0, 0. See, exactly the same. Okay, and then we try this one, change to base 8. So I press bind over here. Okay, already the bind. This is what? 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. And then 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, sometimes for the base 2, if the number is too long, actually you can't do it using calculator, because the calculator will come out with max error. Maybe 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Yeah, see, when the number is too big, he will give you max error. So yeah, if the number is too big, you have to use this method. Okay, actually not really hard, but then you must understand about this table. Then you can do it quickly. Okay, last but not least about the plus and minus. Okay, of course, if you got calculator, this part will be no challenge for you at all. Okay, let's see how to do the minus. Okay, In order to do the minus, you must have some concept is in base 2, because plus and minus you only happen in base 2. Okay, you won't have chance to plus and minus in base 5 or base 8. Okay, base 2, you must have the concept in base 2. Okay, 0 equal to 0, 1 equal to 1, but then 2 will equal to 10. Oh, here, over here, this one is base 2. Okay, this is base 2. Okay, this is base 10. Okay, this is like normal number. Okay, so if you can understand 2 is equal to 10, then it will be very easy for you to understand this. Okay, so I do some simple. Okay, so 10 minus 1. Okay, this is base 2. 10 minus 1, you got what? You assume understand 10 is equal to 2. So 10 minus 1 is mean 2 minus 1, you got 1. Okay, so let's say 1 plus 1, what number you got? You got 10. So if 11 plus 11, all base 2 all I say over here is base 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 again is equal to 11. Okay, so you must understand the 3 is actually equal to 11. Okay, if you can understand this concept, then let's try to do the question over here. Okay, this is minus. So let's say 1 minus 1, we got 0. And then we got a 1 over here. Okay, means you cannot solve what? 0 cannot minus 1, so you have to borrow from here. So here will become 0. Okay, and then when I borrow over here, this is base 2. You do not have the 10. You borrow over here is 10, but then the 10 is meaning 2. So it's 10. 10, I borrow 1 again, I left 1. So I have a 10 over here. I borrow 1 again, I left 1. So I got a 10 over here. Okay, because 10 is 2. You imagine 2, borrow 1 more, you left 1. 2, borrow 1 more, you left 1. But then in base 2, they call it 10. So now 10 minus 1, you left 1. Because 10 is 2. Okay, here you left 1, so you write down 1. 1 minus 1, you got 0. Okay, here is 0, 1, base 2. That's all. Okay? Okay, if let's say you cannot understand the 10 method, you can also write using 2 also. Okay, but then you must be careful. Okay, for this one, I use the other methods. 1 minus 1 got 0, 0 minus 0, I got 0. Okay, here cannot minus, I borrow here from here. Here become 0, here become 2. 2 minus 1, left 1. 0 over here, I put 0. Okay, here is 1, base 2. You can write 2 also. But then, because actually the proper method is like this. In base 2, you can never see the number 2 over here. Okay? But then, if you do not, you really cannot understand about 10, you can write 2. Okay? For plus, it's very simple. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, but then you cannot write 2, you should understand 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, and then 1 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 again is 11. Here we left 1, 1, base 2. That's all. Okay, of course, you can still do the checking using calculator. You must, okay, I teach one more time. Okay, press mode 1 time, 2 times, you see base, you press 3. Okay, because this is base 2, so you make sure this one is B. Or stand for by. Okay, you do the checking. 1 1. Okay, first question. 1 1 0 0 0 1. 0 0 0 1. Okay, minus 1 0 1 1. So you got 1 0 0 1 1 0. Correct. Okay. Then the second one is 1 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 1. So you got 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, correct also. So for the last one is plus 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 plus triple 1 plus triple 1.
So you got 11101, 11101, okay? All is correct. So actually, because nowadays you can use calculator, so this part will become very easy for you. Anyways, I think I teach almost everything about this base number. I hope the manually and using calculator methods can actually help you score well in this chapter, because this chapter in paper 1 there will at least come out 2 to 3 questions. So 2 to 3 mark is quite important in mathematics. So I hope these chapters will help you a lot. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching the video.